This channel I speak about educational goals. Without difficult, nobody can achieve their goals. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. Education is the greatest wealth. Every person must have it. A room without book is like a body without soul. Today, one child, one teacher, and book can change the world. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. Today a leader, tomorrow a leader. Work hard in silence, let your success be your noise. Opportunity don't happen, you create them. The rules of education are bitter, but the fruit is very sweet. Thank